Welcome back. Today I'm going to do Saturdays for self-isolation because that's what we're supposed to be doing right now. So I got my chainsaw here. I haven't been down in there yet, but I've heard there's a bunch of trees down that I need to cut up and get out of the way. So I'll take this camera, we'll set it up, I'll put some music in there because I figured out how to do that now. And that'll be about it. Now before we get going down in there, we'll go through what I'm putting in the saw. So I've got some pre-mix, some gas and oil mix. It should be nice and mixed. It's bounced around all the way in here, so it should be good. Then I've got my bar oil. Now if you've never used a chainsaw before, there are two different tanks on them. We got a gas tank towards the back typically, and a bar oil tank towards the front typically. Even if you have an electric chainsaw, you still have to put bar oil in it, otherwise you burn up the bar and the chain and all that stuff, and you don't really want that to happen. We actually got quite a bit of gas in there too. Now anytime that you think the government is going to help you, remember how bad they screwed up gas cans. We got our gas full, our oil full. I've got some gloves. Never used to wear these before, but I'm going to start wearing hearing protection because I'm getting to the point where I wish I would have done some of this stuff at a younger age. But we'll go ahead, we'll walk down in there. I'll set you up on like a time-lapse fast shoot thing, and I'll just do my Saturday isolation out here cutting up trees. I think that's gonna about do her for today. The reality is I didn't bring enough water to do this much in what has actually been a pretty warm, sunny day. I got the truck down in here farther than I probably should have. I got some bigger pieces cut up for some bonfires, and if you watched this, I guess there's weirder things you could have watched on YouTube, I guess. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you again later.